What's going on, guys? It's your boy King G with Investment Adventures, coming at you with another video. Before we go any farther, I would like for you to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell. Hit that bell if you want to be notified whenever I drop new content, because I'm gonna be dropping jewels like pretty much every day, but only if you like it. If it's garbage, don't jump in. All right. So today we're gonna be talking about how to build business credit in 30 days really fast in 2023. Now I know a lot of you guys hear that you can, I don't know, I would like to call it clickbait, because people say like you can, get a business line of credit with no personal guarantee, or you can get credit cards. You can get credit cards, but you'll hear a lot of things like you can get, business credit with bad credit, different things like that. That's not true, and I'm not about to sit here and lie to you, because I like to be up front and forward with everybody. That's just what it is, because in order for you to get to that next level in life that you're trying to go to, you need me to be honest, or you need anybody that you're going to operate with to be honest with you and say, hey, look, this is what you got to do, this is what you got to do, this is what you don't do, and this is what you don't do, right? And that's what I'm going to tell you. So if your credit score is 550, I'm not going to tell you to go apply for anything. I'm going to tell you get that score up in the sevens, and I'll help you do that, and then we'll go to the next level, right? But even with bad credit, what you can do is start your business, right? So you don't have to have good credit to start a business. So whatever you're good at, whatever you're passionate about, right? So if you want to build business credit fast, go into something that you're really passionate about. You can, if you're doing trucking, if you're doing hair, if you're a barber, whatever it is, right? Go into it go into it. Now here's a tip that a lot of people ain't gonna tell you, and a lot of people might even charge you for this information. Do never put what you're doing in your business name. When you file for your business name, if you're doing hair, please don't say something salon, okay? Riri Salon LLC. If you're doing real estate, don't put you know uh, you know, Connor's estate, or anything, or trucking. Don't do that, because what happens when you do that, the banks are going to look at you as high risk, and they know what you're doing. So therefore, you end up under a certain SIC code that tells them don't lend this company money. So what you want to do, one of the main things you want to do when you start your business, you want to end your business name with either consulting, enterprises, or group, right? So it could be, because hey, look, if you do have a hair salon, you are consulting people's hair. So you can say Riri's Consulting LLC, right? If you trucking, you consulting, enterprises, all of that. But what it does is it doesn't allow the bank to know what it is you're doing, to say we're not going to give them any money or not. Okay, so that's the number one thing that you need to do first, because if you start off with this wrong, you might as well start over, because this is one of the main things, and I teach this in my course. So, but that's a free gem right there. All right, now you're gonna have to set up some things. One of the other main things you need to do is have a business address, not a home address. You don't want to use your home address, right? You want to go somewhere like Regis. If you can actually get an office, that's even better. But you have some, because you can go to Regis and get you a business address. Get you a business address there. You want to get you a business phone number, right? Not your cell phone number. You want to go get you a business phone number that that only people that's your clientele calls, right? You can get stuff like, you can get these numbers for as low as $9 a month. This is not expensive stuff that I'm talking about here, right? You want to get your DUNS number, and we're going to talk about that DUNS in a second. But get your DUNS number. You definitely need your EIN number. You want to register with the 411, right? You want to be registered, because when banks look you up when you apply for something, they check and see if you're in the 411. If you're not there, then they don't believe that you're a real business. You're going to get denied. All right. And after that, you want to start getting some net 30 accounts. Now, net 30 accounts they like store accounts, right? And they report on your DUNS number. So when you're doing business credit, you have your DUNS, you got your Equifax Credit, you got your Experian, and you got SBFE, right? So what you want to do is, you want to get they're going to give you net 30. The reason why they call it net 30 accounts is because they give you 30 days to pay the money back. But what you don't want to pay it back in 30 days. You actually want to pay it back like quick, like in 2 weeks, or like as soon as you get it, pay it back, right? So it would start giving you that good credit score, because your business credit goes from 0 to 100. Like, personal credit goes from 350 to 850. Business credit goes from 0 to 100. And if you get an 80 paydex score, then that's considered good credit. Now, here's the thing though. See, a lot of people not telling you the truth on this, and I'm gonna keep it 100 with you, right? So when you get an 80 paydex score and you got all net 30 accounts, that does not mean you're going to get, you can now go to the bank and get a $30,000 loan in your business name. You can't do that, because banks actually don't really give a damn about your Duns and Bradstreet, your you know what I'm saying, what's on your Duns and Bradstreet. They don't really care so much about that. What they really care about is what's on your EIN, right? So what you want to do is you need to put primaries on your EIN, right? I can show you how to do it, right? But I'm not gonna put that out here on YouTube, of course. But you want to get primaries on your EIN, because then that's when you can go into the bank and say, hey, y'all want to get a loan. They're gonna pull your business credit, and then they're gonna see that you got business credit lines on your EIN. That's how you get approved. Then, not only that, you're not gonna be able to just at this point, uh, not have to personal guarantee it. You're gonna have to personal guarantee it with your credit. So they're gonna pull your personal credit so you can get this business loan. Now, that's the reason why I say you gotta have good personal credit. It's the first thing you want to do is get your personal credit up first, so you can do all these things. And then once you go to the bank, they like, okay, your credit score is 700. You got some good lines on your business credit. We can fund you, right? And they'll fund you, right? But these are some of the things that a lot of people are not telling you, because I see so many people say things like, you know, uh, you can get business credit in 30 days. That's true, but the business credit they talking about are gas cards, store cards, Target cards, Home Depot cards, not cards that you can go actually and use to buy anything. You can only go and get gas, which is good. There's nothing wrong with these cards, but it's not unsecured credit where you can just say, hey, look, I'm about to go to Macy's with this card, and when I leave Macy's, I'm gonna go to Target with this same card. You see what I'm saying? That's the difference. So when people say you can get business credit really quick, that's true. You can get business credit, and you will get approved for things, especially when you start paying back your net 30s fast. And you're gonna be able to, start getting these nice lines of credit. I mean, there's nothing wrong with, especially if you were if you're in real estate. I mean, it would be great to have a Home Depot card. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm not saying there's anything wrong with them. What I'm saying is, don't get deceived into believing that when people say you're going to get business credit, really fast, that they're talking about actual unsecured credit like a business credit card. That's not happening unless you can do what I show people in my class is to put some primaries on your business line to show, hey, look, not only that, you're not, another thing, when you put primaries on there, you can't put primaries on a new business. So let me clear that up real fast. So like if you just created a LLC, uh, like last week, you can't put a primary on there saying that you got a loan that's what you've been paying for 4 years. The business just opened 2 weeks ago. So that doesn't look right. So that's when we get into the age corporations, where you go and purchase an age corporation, and you buy an age corporation. I got them at discounts as well. But you buy an age corporation, could be 5 years old, 7 years old, 9 years old, whatever the case may be. But when you buy this age corporation, you now you add a primary to that, saying, you got a business loan for 100,000 that's you've been paying for 5 years, right? And so now you're looking great. You understand what I'm saying? Now you're looking Now it looks legitimate because you doing what you're doing and you putting them lines on there. These are the things that you need to do. Now that's if you want to speed it up. You know what I'm saying? But it's ways to do it. You know what I mean? I can help you with that. But that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to tell you, how to build it fast. How you can build your credit fast. You can build your credit fast in 30 days, but you can't go and get all that, just unsecured cash like that. You can build it fast, but this ain't a sprint. You know what I'm saying? It's a marathon. So you don't get gun ho on people when you hear people say that you're going to get money really fast like that, because let's just be honest with yourself, right? You work at a job right now, and you might make 70,000 a year, right? And every you work that whole year and you still make that 70,000. But this can take, even if you do it the long way, it could take 4 to 6 months, sometimes 9 months if you take the slow route. If you take the slow route, you can do it in 6 to 9 months. But it's worth it, right? Because you can in 6 to 9 months you can actually blow up. You understand what I'm saying? So don't rush, because no matter what, if you don't die, 6 to 9 months are coming. So don't worry about it. All right. This your boy King G. Also, hit me up, ask me anything at the email at the top, right, or in the description below. And like I said, like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content. I'll be back hollering at y'all about some more stuff. So know what it is. It's King G. I'm out. Peace.